In today's video, I'll show you how to create comparative balance sheets in QuickBooks Online in just a few minutes. Whether you're a business owner, accountant, or someone learning to manage financial data, this detailed tutorial will guide you through how to generate clear, accurate comparison reports that help you evaluate your company's performance over different time periods. Let's get started. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Open your browser, go to the QuickBooks website, and click Sign In. Enter your credentials and make sure your password is secure. Once you're logged in, select QuickBooks Online to open your main dashboard and access your financial workspace. Next, navigate to the Reports section from the left-hand menu. This is where you can find and generate all your key financial statements. In the search bar, type Business Snapshot and select it from the results. This tool is especially useful because it provides a visual and analytical overview of your business finances, allowing you to easily compare results across different time periods. Once your report is open, it's time to customize it to suit your needs. At the top of the screen, look for the Report Period options. From here, choose the specific timeframes you want to compare, such as this year versus last year or this quarter versus previous quarter. Be sure to double check your dates to ensure the comparison reflects accurate and relevant data for your business. After you've set the time periods, click Apply or Run Report. QuickBooks will instantly generate your comparative balance sheet, displaying 2 or more columns side by side, one for each selected period. This format makes it easy to identify trends, spot financial growth or decline, and analyze changes in your assets, liabilities, and equity. You can also fine-tune the report further. QuickBooks allows you to filter by account type, adjust formatting, or even add notes for context. This helps make your comparative balance sheet not just informative, but presentation ready for meetings, audits, or financial reviews. When you're satisfied with the setup, don't forget to save or export your report. You can download it as a PDF or Excel file for easy sharing or record keeping. Exporting to Excel is particularly handy if you want to perform additional analysis or include the data in larger reports. And there you have it. You've successfully created a comparative balance sheet in QuickBooks Online. With this tool, you'll gain valuable insights into your business's financial health and make smarter decisions backed by clear, data-driven comparisons. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more QuickBooks tips and guides on our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.